PayPal error code 1del201 or verification failed is a common issue that prevents transactions or account actions. This error occurs when PayPal's systems cannot verify your identity or the legitimacy of a transaction. This video will explain why this error occurs and how to fix it. PayPal employs multi-factor authentication to protect user accounts and transactions. This security system requires multiple forms of verification to ensure only authorized access. The three main components of MFA include email or SMS codes sent to your registered contact information. Device recognition verifies familiar devices you've used before with PayPal. Biometric data uses fingerprints or facial recognition for secure verification. Error code 1del201 appears when these verification steps fail. This can happen due to mismatched account details, expired verification sessions, or when the system flags suspicious activity. PayPal's error code 1del201 is generated by the company's backend API, specifically within the payment processing module. This module handles all transaction verifications and security checks. The error code adheres to PCI DSS standards, which are industry requirements for secure payment processing. These standards ensure data encryption and integrity checks during all transactions. This is why security is always prioritized during fixes. The system must verify every transaction to prevent unauthorized access and maintain compliance with payment industry standards. PayPal error code 1del201 has significant impacts on both users and businesses. For individual users, this error immediately stops transactions in progress, requiring them to take manual steps to resolve the issue before they can complete their payment. For businesses and merchants, error 1del201 can cause significant delays in receiving payouts from successful transactions. This interruption in cash flow affects their ability to operate smoothly and can impact overall business performance. Addressing error 1del201 promptly is essential for maintaining smooth transactions and protecting the financial interests of both users and businesses involved in the payment process. The first step in resolving PayPal error 1del201 is to check your linked payment methods. Start by confirming that your bank accounts are properly connected and active in your PayPal account. Next, verify your credit cards. Make sure they are valid, not expired, and correctly linked to your PayPal account. Finally, review any payment amount limits that may be in place. New PayPal accounts often have lower transaction limits that increase as you build trust with the platform. Geographic restrictions can trigger PayPal's error code 1del201 when your location appears unusual, such as when traveling internationally or using a VPN that changes your apparent location. Using a VPN creates a mismatch between your actual location and the IP address PayPal detects, which can be flagged as suspicious activity. This verification failure halts the transaction to protect against potential fraud, following PayPal's security protocols. To resolve this, first disable your VPN to restore your true location data, or contact PayPal support to confirm your current location and verify the transaction. PayPal's mobile app offers an easier verification process through biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or facial recognition. When encountering verification issues, open the app to confirm your identity securely. First, open the PayPal mobile app on your device. The app provides a streamlined interface for transactions and verifications. Attempt the transaction that triggered the error. The app will prompt for verification if needed. Use biometric authentication, either fingerprint scanning or facial recognition, to confirm your identity. This method is faster and more secure than traditional codes. Once biometric verification is complete, the transaction should proceed without the error. This method often resolves verification issues quickly. PayPal has introduced an instant resolve tool that uses chatbots to help troubleshoot error 1del201. Access this tool through PayPal's Help Center for quick automated assistance. It resolves 70% of cases within minutes. When initial troubleshooting steps don't resolve PayPal error 1del201, it's time to escalate by contacting PayPal support directly. Provide support with details about the error and the steps you've already attempted. Make sure to have your account information ready for verification. Contact PayPal by phone using the customer service number. Hours are 8 a.m. to 6:30 p.m., Monday through Sunday. use the one-off code 470614 for quicker service. It expires in 1 hour. Alternative support options include the Help Center, asking the community, or using the Resolution Center. For more complex issues, follow the support escalation process shown here. This flowchart outlines how incidents are handled through different levels of support. Remember to prepare your account details before contacting support to ensure a smooth verification process. In this case study, a small online retailer faced recurring PayPal error 110201 during peak sales periods. These verification failures were losing them 15% of transactions. The solution involved upgrading to a PayPal business account with enhanced verification features and implementing biometric logins for secure access. This resolved the verification issues and boosted their conversion rates by 20%, demonstrating how account tier upgrades can significantly improve transaction success. Error 1201 plays a crucial role in preventing fraud. In a documented case from PayPal's security blog, a user in Asia attempted a transaction that was flagged as suspicious. The 10201 error blocked it, revealing a phishing scam. After verification, the account was secured, showing how the error protects users from financial harm. PayPal is increasingly using machine learning models to predict and auto-resolve verification issues in real time. These models analyze patterns in transaction data to identify potential problems before they occur. When an issue is detected, the system can automatically resolve it without user intervention. This proactive approach prevents errors like 10201 from disrupting transactions. By predicting and handling verification failures automatically, machine learning reduces the need for manual fixes, making the process more efficient and improving user experience. Looking ahead, the future of PayPal error resolution points to full AI automation by 2028, potentially eliminating most error 10201 verification failures through predictive analytics and real-time adjustments. Artificial intelligence will analyze transaction patterns, automatically resolve issues before they occur, and adapt verification processes to reduce false positives while maintaining security. Decentralized identity solutions are also emerging, using blockchain technology to create secure, portable credentials that can be verified instantly across different platforms, simplifying the verification process for users worldwide. These advancements promise to make verification failures like error 10201 a thing of the past, offering frictionless security and seamless digital transactions. Expert opinions highlight the critical balance between robust security and positive user experience in handling PayPal's error code 10201. PayPal's CTO explains that the error is evolving through AI to become more of a protective shield than a barrier. Cybersecurity expert Bruce Schneier warns that while verification failures prevent fraud, excessive reliance can frustrate users. This creates a delicate balance between security controls and user adoption, as shown in security adoption curves. Gartner analysts predict that by 2027, artificial intelligence will resolve 80% of these errors automatically. Biometric authentication designs aim to make security seamless, reducing friction in user experiences. Ultimately, the goal is frictionless security, protecting users without disrupting their experience. PayPal reports a 92% self-resolution rate for error 10201 through user guides, with the remaining cases typically resolved in about 24 hours through support. Demographically, these errors occur 30% more frequently among new users who have been with PayPal for less than 6 months, highlighting the importance of proper account setup. Globally, verification failures like error 1201 result in an estimated $2.5 billion in lost e-commerce sales annually, according to industry studies. Regionally, error 10201 incidence has dropped 25% in Europe following GDPR updates, while in emerging markets like India, it persists at around 3% due to mobile data challenges. Understanding these statistics helps manage expectations and prioritize support resources for users experiencing error 10201. Error 10201 incidence varies significantly by region due to differences in regulations and infrastructure. In Europe, verification failures have decreased by 25% following GDPR implementation in 2018, which strengthen data privacy requirements. In contrast, emerging markets like India experience higher rates at around 3%, often due to unreliable mobile data connections and limited infrastructure. These regional differences highlight how regulatory frameworks and technological infrastructure influence verification error rates globally. To summarize PayPal Error 110201 prevention, keep your account details updated, be aware of payment limits and geographic restrictions, use PayPal's mobile app, and utilize the Instant Resolve tool. Regularly verify your email, phone number, and payment methods to prevent verification issues. Check your payment amount limits and ensure you're not restricted by geographic location. Use PayPal's mobile app with biometric confirmation for secure and quick verification. Take advantage of the Instant Resolve chatbot tool for immediate troubleshooting assistance.